Good evening. Article 1 of the Constitution of India mentions India, that is Bharat. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. This is what is mentioned in Article number 1. It clearly indicates that the country can be called as either India or Bharat. That is the reason why some people use the word India and some people call it as Bharat. There is no wrong, there is nothing wrong in this. But if you go back to the history of our constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, and the constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. And starting from that day, this Article 1 was existing without any changes, meaning it is written as India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. At the time of making of the constitution, in the Constituent Assembly, some discussions arose. What are these discussions? The discussion was related to the usage of the name of the country in the constitution. Some traditional thinkers, they made it very clear that the country name has to be mentioned as Bharat in the constitution. But the modern thinkers, they started saying, since the entire world knows India as India, we cannot afford to use the traditional name Bharat, but we should use the word India. That is what the discussion was. After certain deliberations, both the groups have agreed that instead of using the word either India or Bharat, let's use the two names in the constitution, and it was amicably agreed by all the members in the Constituent Assembly. That is the reason why our article number 1 says India, that is Bharat. But now this concept is very much there in the question. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court requesting the Supreme Court to give the directions to the government, requesting the Supreme Court to interfere and remove the word India from article number 1. So that what will happen? There will be only one word, one name exclusively, that is Bharat. Bharat shall be a union of states. So why this concept has come into the picture? Some people argue that throughout the world, if you look at various countries, so many countries have got their own state religion. But as far as India is concerned, we don't have any state religion. We adopted the concept of secularism, where the government will give equal respect to all the religions. Government will maintain equal distance with all the religions. Government will not interfere into the religious affairs. So this is what has been being practiced in India since the beginning. But because of the various reasons, some petitioners have approached the Supreme Court, requested the Supreme Court to remove the word India from article number 1, so that exclusively the word Bharat will be there. Clear? But the Chief Justice of India, Justice S.A. Bobde, today made it very clear that whatever the plea that has been submitted to the Supreme Court, that can be converted into a representation, and the representation has to be submitted to the central government. Let the central government take a decision on this. This is the place where the Ministry of Home Affairs comes into the picture. Now, this plea is converted into a representation, and on behalf of certain sections of the society, that will reach the Ministry of Home Affairs, and a decision may be taken whether to continue the word India in article number 1, or a decision may be taken to remove the word India. But of course, different opinions will come up. Let's not go into the details of that at this stage. And what the government is going to do, we need to wait and watch for that. And kindly remember, this is not the first time such type of a challenge has come into the picture. It happened even in the year 2016. At the time, the Chief Justice was Justice Thakur. When this similar type of plea came in front of him, he said very clearly, what is the problem for you if somebody calls India as India? In the constitution, under article number 1, both the names are given. If you want to call India as Bharat, you may call it as Bharat, nobody will object. If somebody wants to call India as India, one should not be objected, and everybody has the freedom to use their names. And in the year 2016, the petition was dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Similar type of petition has reached the Supreme Court now once again, and the Supreme Court has directed that plea should be converted into a representation, and that should go to the central government, meaning Supreme Court threw the ball into the central government, into the court of central government, and the government will take a decision, and we need to wait and watch what exactly is going to happen. For the examination point of view, they may ask you, they will give you the complete statement. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states is mentioned under which article of the Constitution? Please remember, it is mentioned under article number 1 of the Constitution. Am I clear? Right. That's all for the day, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs.